Hi everyone, this is Anusha Asad and today I'm here at the Admission Advisor's office with a very special guest. But first, I have a question to ask you. Normally, when people go abroad, when students want to go abroad, they want to go for higher education. But what do you do if you want to go before that? You find somebody like my guest. Let's welcome Tahir Ali, who is from the Elite High School. Assalamu alaikum, how are you?
Walaikum Assalam, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good and I'm very excited to give everybody information about our hot topic today, which is Elite High School and how we managed to get abroad for education that is not further studies, but that comes a step before that.
Same here. I do have the same feelings just like you. So let's begin this.
Let's begin this. तो हमें ये बताएं कि सबसे पहले Elite High School, how credible is it?
Elite High School basically is inspected by the Ontario Ministry of Education, and every year they get licensed to teach students all over the globe.
Right.
So you can search it online, you can search it anywhere. We do have the license number. You just need to put that license number and you will get all the information regarding the school, campus, principal, each and everything which can be used to just satisfy your thoughts.
Right. That's wonderful क्योंकि आजकल ये ज़माना है कि आप एक टैब पे या कुछ कीबोर्ड के उस पे आप आराम से गूगल कर सकते हैं, जगहों की आप क्रेडिबिलिटी देख सकते हैं. And Elite High School जो है, that offers the OSST, which is a Canadian diploma, which is recognized in Canada and in the entire world. Even Pakistan में recognized होता है. So tell us a little bit about that.
That's true. OSSD, basically, I'm going to tell the full name. That is Ontario Secondary School Diploma. And it's a same diploma just like student is getting after completing grade 9, 10, 11 and 12.
यानी कि जो हमारा लोकल O level A level system है, ये OSSD वहाँ का OA level है.
Yes.
अच्छा.
And the plus point is it's not that much difficult. It's not that easy, but it's different.
This reminds me of the Goldilocks story because it's just right. Both porridge tha na, neither too hot nor too warm, just right. So this school and this diploma is just right. Acha, coming to the matter of Elite High School. So I'd love to ask you, can my child study from Pakistan and still earn a Canadian Ontario diploma?
Absolutely. 100%.
How?
It's very easy. Elite High School is providing online education, and in that case, you can earn OSST by studying at home. So parents don't have to worry about that. उनका बच्चा कहाँ पे जाके पढ़ेगा, कैसे करना पड़ेगा, travel expenses, each and everything. Elite High School is cutting every cost that can put a burden on the parent. So student can study by staying online at home.
That's a wonderful alternative for parents who want their child to have an international diploma, but they can't afford to financially support the child. If he goes abroad या बाहर कोई family नहीं है, रहेगा कहाँ इतनी छोटी उम्र में, तो वो high school diploma भी आप पा सकते हैं sitting at the comfort of your home in Pakistan, और वो online सारा आपको जिस तरह regular school होता है उस तरह हो जाता है. अच्छा ताहिर, आप हमें ये बताइएगा कि OSST में subject variation क्या है और क्या-क्या subjects offer होते हैं?
Oh, Elite High School is बहुत varieties provide कर रहा है. Like whenever student जो भी सोचता है अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में जाने के लिए, because obviously जब ये स्टूडेंट अपनी फ्यूचर एजुकेशन को प्लान कर रहा होता है, सो वो देख रहा होता है कि मैंने अपनी पैशन इंडस्ट्री में जाना है. इसी चीज को फोकस में रखते हुए एलीट हाई स्कूल वैरायटी सब्जेक्ट की प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जांपल, एलीट हाई स्कूल इज प्रोवाइडिंग कंप्यूटर साइंस, बिजनेस, आर्ट्स, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स एंड मेनी अदर सब्जेक्ट्स. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर समथिंग, यू नो इट, एलीट हाई स्कूल इज द वन जो आपको वन स्टॉप सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड करेगा.
So how does it compare to the Pakistani degrees, like the matriculation system, FSC वगैरह, pre-med के students होते हैं, और जब वो OA levels में से करते हैं तो वो फिर medicine के subjects लेते हैं, like biology, chemistry, physics, engineering वाले फिर साथ add math लगा लेते हैं. तो how does it compare?
Okay, इसके लिए मैं इसको बहुत simple way में define करूँगा. आप पाकिस्तान में matriculation and intermediate है, right? And if you consider the British education system, we have OA level. Okay?
Right.
सारा का सारा स्टूडेंट का बर्डन उसके मार्क्स पे मैटर करता है. वो मार्क्स कब हैं? जब उसका एग्जाम होगा, राइट? अब एग्जाम में स्टूडेंट ने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, स्टूडेंट गॉट द ए स्टार. स्टूडेंट पूरा साल मेहनत करता रहा, बाय एनी चांस एग्जाम अच्छा नहीं हुआ, स्टूडेंट इज गॉन।
So true.
एलीट हाई स्कूल ने उस गैप को फिल किया है। नाउ एलीट हाई स्कूल 70% ऑफ द टोटल ग्रेड आपकी इवेल्युएट करता है कोर्स वर्क सबमिशन पे। लाइक यू हैव
अच्छा.
क्विजेस, you have AFLs, you have online activities, projects for every course.
So can we say it's a little closer to the IB system कि आपको साथ साथ
Exactly.
उसके मार्क्स वगैरह मिलते रहते हैं, साथ साथ उसकी क्रेडिट्स मिलते रहते हैं,
Yes.
एंड असाइनमेंट बेस्ड सिस्टम है, और ये ऐसे नहीं कि बस एक फाइनल एग्जाम हुआ, एक बोर्ड एग्जाम हुआ और या आर या पार.
Yes. बिल्कुल। एग्जाम कितने, एग्जाम सिर्फ आपका 30% काउंट होगा एंड रेस्ट 70% आपका कोर्स वर्क काउंट हो रहा होगा, और उसमें स्टूडेंट को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है दैट आई एम द यू कैन कॉल इट एज द ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ। नाउ गेटिंग दैट कॉन्फिडेंस will not only help that student in high school but also in the university and next further studies as well.
That attitude helps in life and it helps after studies also. जब आप पढ़ लिख के real world में जाते हैं काम करने, so that confidence really helps. अच्छा ताहिर, tell us what are the graduation requirements for OSSD?
It's very simple. Again, I'm telling everything. It's simple.
I mean, it sounds magical to me.
It's very simple because all you need is to study 30 credits.
अच्छा.
30 courses from grade 9 to grade 12.
ठीक है.
And then 40 hours of community involvement activity. Third last thing is all you have to do is give Ontario literacy test. It's an online test. All you have to do is English test की base पे है। इन 3 कैटेगरीज को आपने पूरा करना है and you are applicable to have the OSST by sitting at home.
तो वो किस टाइप का टेस्ट है? Is it something similar to a SAT exam or is it like much easy than that?
It's much easier.
कुछ IELTS टाइप है? It's just language English?
It's just English.
अच्छा.
They are going to test your vocabulary. They are going to test your basics of English and that's it.
So is this OSSD system fully online or is there some level of in-person that one has to do?
Yes, it's fully online.
Achha.
Student is no longer needed to travel to study. They can study online at home and get the OSSD within no time.
अच्छा, ये जब कोविड के जमाने में पूरी दुनिया बंद हो गई थी तो ये तब था या उसके बाद उन्होंने ये सोचा है कि it's very suitable for a lot of different kinds of people?
Actually, Elite High School has assessed the situation that most of the parents are not comfortable sending their younger children जो कि अभी इतने capable नहीं है to move abroad. So Elite High School realized this thing and then school decided to go with the online education as well. It took some time because you have to get the license from the ministry for this education system as well. And there are only very limited number of schools in Canada who are licensed.
Right, who are licensed
to offer,
not only offering this but licensed.
Yes, to offer online education all over the globe.
अच्छा, अभी हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की बात कर रहे हैं और ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग सिस्टम की बात कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज टेल अस कि इसका क्या सिस्टम होता है? इज इट लाइव? Do you get recordings? Is it being recorded? क्योंकि कुछ बच्चों को होता है कि बाद में जाके वो रिकॉर्डिंग भी सुन सकते हैं, उससे भी कर सकते हैं, you know,
It's both.
अपनी assignments वगैरह.
It's both.
अच्छा.
Live भी है and recorded session भी होते हैं. So for recorded session, student is going to come. Student will watch the video, each and everything. Student will submit the assignments. It will get evaluated. But on the other hand, teachers are going to schedule the regular classes, probably bi-weekly. It depends upon the need of the student because Elite High School focuses on individual attention.
Right.
So her student.
So it can be custom built to suit every individual student.
Exactly.
ठीक है. वो ऐसे run of the mill नहीं है कि घंटी बजी क्लासरूम में आए बैठ के टीचर आई एक गई.
No, it's not like that कि आपके
It's tailored to the need of every student.
Yeah, it's not like that कि आपके एक क्लास में 30 to 40 students हैं and then teacher is going to teach online. No, one session होता है, like one teacher, one student. Simple.
So what kind of support will be provided to a Pakistani student जो यहाँ से बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं वहाँ के लिए?
The support is related to finance. The support is related to administration and the support is also coming from the educational department. अब मैं इन तीनों को अगर define करूँ, finance, the support is related to scholarship. Like school provides a lot of bunch of scholarships to the students, probably those who are deserving each and everything. And regarding the administrative, yes, if you are having any query or आपका कोई भी issue है, school will try to get it done, resolve it within 24 hours time frame. And from the educational department side, teachers are 24 hours available for the student. If they get stuck at any point, teacher will make sure to hold the class for that individual student.
आई एम ग्लैड आपने टीचर्स का टॉपिक उठाया बिकॉज मेरा अगला सवाल ये था कि व्हाट आर द क्वालिफिकेशंस ऑफ द टीचर्स, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट?
Teachers are licensed as well from the ministry.
ऑब्वियसली मतलब कनेडियन सिस्टम में तो लाइसेंस ही होंगे
Yes.
सारे, वो तो अलाउ ही नहीं करते.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Teachers के एग्जाम्स होते हैं and then they get license from the ministry. Then school hires them and make sure that teachers are giving the proper education like the standards set by the ministry. So teachers के मामले में school is giving no zero tolerance policy because ministry के end से school को कोई tolerance policy नहीं है. So why school will go for that?
Wonderful. So the teachers are excellent, and this entire system seems very promising. And it seems like something everybody would start showing an interest in. कि हमारे बच्चे को भी opportunities मिल सकती हैं. अब जब high school खत्म होता है, स्कूल ओ ए लेवल्स जो भी आप करें खत्म होता है, तो आपने अप्लाई करना होता है यूनिवर्सिटीज में. सो डज एलीट हाई स्कूल हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स टू अप्लाई टू यूनिवर्सिटीज इन कनाडा?
Yes, school does that. School start से ही आपकी ये preparation start करवा देता है. Like whenever a student is coming to the school, school will ask from the student. The counselors are going to have a counseling session with the student as well. They're going to ask, okay, tell us where do you want to go? What's your passion? Each and everything. And then school is going to decide these subjects that, okay, you want to go for the engineering, let's schedule your session, and then in that session, the counselor is going to finalize the subjects according to the student's passion. So, जब start से ही school enroll है, school in है, student की decision लेने में, उसके passion को pursue करवाने में, at the end जब university का time आएगा, universities में enrollment, universities में admission, school will be at front. School will be sending the documents, school will be sending the official confirmations to the universities that this student has gained the OSSD and he or she is applicable for this specific program.
So they fully assist the
Yes.
student in this process. So OSSD के साथ जो universities हैं, colleges हैं, वो scholarship offer करते हैं? Is it that kind of diploma that is exciting enough for the university कि ये कोई बहुत ही top का बच्चा है और ये deserve करता है scholarship?
Interesting fact, not only Canada but all over the globe. If you take a look at UK, if you take a look at US or Australia, most of the universities are providing more than 50% scholarship on OSSD.
अच्छा.
So it's recognized worldwide. They are giving scholarships. They are admiring those students who are getting OSSD.
So if my child opts to go for this system, so are the Canadian universities going to look at his case with a bias, यानी कि a positive bias as compared to the A-level students? क्या उसको कोई favorable ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से देखेंगे?
Right. होगा ऐसे. I would agree on that. That's the psychological part. Because if you take a look at the university side, if you take a look at the visa side, they are going to see that this student has already achieved the Canadian education system and this student knows what's inside it. So they are going to put a little effort, they are going to put the student on a little priority as compared to the others.
So basically, the thing is that it's a Canadian diploma. So the Canadian university will give preference to the OSSD diploma student, चाहे उसने पाकिस्तान से किया, online किया, जहाँ भी किया,
Yes.
as compared to a student जो A levels या कोई और system करके आ रहा है.
Somehow.
अच्छा, so this all sounds very good so far. Now let's talk about serious business. Let's talk about finances. इस सब कुछ की cost क्या है?
Okay, it depends upon the number of credits. स्टूडेंट के लिए ये कंपलसरी नहीं है कि उसने 30 क्रेडिट्स ही पढ़ने हैं.
अच्छा.
Like for example, if a student is coming from grade 9, then obviously 30 credits. If a student is coming from grade 10, it gets less.
उतना ही diminish होता
Yes.
जाता है.
Grade 12 उतना ही कम हो जाएगा. So for the price depends upon the number of credits, and हर credit की price fix है. There is no extra course for the tuition, no extra course for the books, no extra cost for anything else. Just pay the credit fee and you are ready to go for it.
That sounds good. And अभी हमने ये बात earlier in this interview की थी कि scholarships भी available हैं Pakistani students के लिए. अच्छा, maybe people are interested in knowing कि do they have to pay in US dollar or Canadian dollar or PKR? तो वो payment का क्या तरीका है?
Payment will be in Canadian dollars.
So Tahir, all of this is online और सब कुछ procedures online चल रहे हैं, तो हमें थोड़ा payment procedure समझाएं.
Payment procedure, it's completely online. You're only going to your bank using
Yeah.
the invoice that has been sent to you by the school,
Easy.
and the school is going to you the clear-cut instructions, the bank details, each and everything. All you have to do is go to your bank and then pay using the Canadian dollars
Right.
over there. The payment will be sent within a couple of days and done.
Do not send US dollars. Send Canadian dollars.
Yes.
अच्छा, कभी कभी पेरेंट्स को ये एक प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जब बच्चा कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठा है, ऑब्वियसली बंद कमरे में बैठा है ताकि डिस्ट्रैक्शंस ना हो, आवाजें ना आए वगैरह, तो उसको मॉनिटर कैसे किया जाए, वो जरा बताएं आप.
ओके, स्टूडेंट को मॉनिटर करने के लिए स्कूल की टीम खुद फ्रंट पे होती है, और वो कैसे होती है, उसमें सिंपल वे है. टीचर्स एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर उनकी लॉगिन एक्टिविटीज, उनके कोर्स वर्क सबमिशंस एंड रेगुलर बेसिस की अपडेट्स ले रही होती है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि आपने स्टूडेंट ने पढ़ना स्टार्ट कर दिया एंड अब कोई अपडेट नहीं स्कूल रिक्वायर करेगा. स्कूल विल बी आस्किंग फॉर द अपडेट ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, एंड इन दैट मैनर जब स्टूडेंट को ये कंफर्म होगा कि अब मेरे से अपडेट आनी है और मुझे आगे अपडेट देनी है, आई हैव टू सबमिट माई कोर्स वर्क, आई हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग, देन स्टूडेंट विल डू दैट. Because student, obviously student एक student है, उसको push करना पड़ता है, and school will be the pushing part कि school उसको push कर रहा होगा and student अपना काम submit करके ना सिर्फ अपने आप को close कर रहा होगा बल्कि अपने parents के लिए भी एक relaxing point रखेगा कि I'm doing something, I'm gaining some education, I'm
Right.
doing it in a right manner.
अच्छा, sometimes children aren't that well versed with English. और English या किसी और सब्जेक्ट में अगर थोड़ा सा बच्चा वीक है, तो क्या उसको एक्स्ट्रा असिस्टेंस प्रोवाइड करता है ये स्कूल?
Yes, school now has two modules. The first one is asynchronous, और asynchronous में क्या होता है कि student is gonna enroll in elite high school, student will study at his or her own pace and then finally gets graduate. Second option is IEP, which is the independent education plan. Now in that independent education plan, it's what school is going to do. Not only the administrator but also the principal will be taking care of that student. Like the principal will be asking for the bi-weekly reports of that student, कि student की क्या progress जा रही है, and teachers are going to have the regular classes with that individual student. So जिन पेरेंट्स को ये इशू नजर आता है, not only English, I'm not talking about English, there can be maths, there can be computer science, or there can be any other course
जिसमें भी थोड़ी एक्स्ट्रा हेल्प की जरूरत पड़ रही है, इस तरह हम ट्यूशंस लगवा देते हैं.
Exactly.